Today's topic on FoodWise is the hype about natural sugars, and here to talk about it is Danielle Bellmer, a food engineer here at the Food and Ag Product Center. And Danny, what are the sources of sugar? Let's start with that.
Okay, most of our sugar today comes from three sources: sugar cane, sugar beets, and corn. And the sugar that we get from sugar cane and sugar beets is in the form of sucrose. That's the table sugar that we all know and love. And sucrose is actually half glucose and half fructose. And high fructose corn syrup is the sugar that we get from the modification of cornstarch, which is also a mixture of glucose and fructose.
Now, there's been a lot of negativity in recent years about high fructose corn syrup. Why are people so concerned?
There has, and high fructose corn syrup is actually the new food monster, I guess. And it turns out that cane sugar and high fructose corn syrup are identical, pretty much. They both contain about 50% glucose and 50% fructose. And it turns out that food manufacturers actually prefer to use high fructose corn syrup because it's cheaper and easier to use. So we see it in a lot of products now, including soft drinks, salad dressings, ketchup. It's everywhere.
And lately, other sugars like honey and agave have been getting a lot of attention. Why the hype about those sugars now?
So people now think they want natural sugar, but the FDA actually doesn't even regulate the word natural. And so products like honey and maple syrup and agave are seen as a healthy alternative, but guess what? They're still sugar. They're still made of roughly 50% fructose, 50% glucose, just like cane sugar and high fructose corn syrup. But people seem to believe that they have these added health benefits. We also see lots of new terms on food products that are meant to sound more natural, like raw cane sugar, evaporated cane juice. That's just sugar.
So with all of this in mind, what is your recommendation in terms of sugar consumption?
Well, first of all, if you're going to eat sugar, the best form of it is in whole fruit, right? Whole fruit also contains fiber, other vitamins, minerals that help you feel full and give you some added satiety. I believe that our health problems have nothing to do with the type of sugar. It's just that we consume way too much sugar. Most of us need to eat less sugar.
And be aware of where all the sugar is in the things that we like.
Exactly.
Thanks a lot, Danny. For more information on the things that Danny talked about today, go to sunup.okstate.edu.